What's up, guys? Here we go again. We got a couple of Turbo Pro Street Turbo T-Birds. Got a white one. Let's see. Matt and Debbie Hayes, 1988 Pro Street Thunderbirds. And that's Retro Racers. Let's see what we got. So it's got some nice graphics on there. You see the scoop on the front there. Probably side exhaust. You got the spoiler in the back. The parachute. Extremely nicely done. Ford T-Bird. You even got the emblem right there. Very nice. Very, very sharp car. Then we got this one. I'm assuming it's... Who is it now? I'm assuming this is Debbie's car. But that's fine. Just a little bit of graphics. Everything's the same. Now see her, that has a black interior. Can't get in there. And this one has the chrome interior. Come on, come on. Here you go. Everything's the same. Nicely done. Chrome spoiler. Very nice looking T-Bird. Boy, these things must be fast in real life. There you go. Nice, 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 nice. All right, guys. Those are two hot cars. More videos coming. Pro Street Thunderbirds.